right, Miss Lipscomb's yellow group. Let's see what you got. I see 8 tas, and I see C, C, D, D, C, C, E, E. Okay, you did exactly what I asked you to do. You picked 3 letters, and you picked a nice, easy going rhythm to go for. So I'm assuming this is going to be your bass line, your bread line. Okay. Now, knowing what I know about your group, I think I want to keep it this simple, but I just want to change maybe one thing. All right, here's what I'd like to try. You have to understand the bread line is the one that's played on the big bass. All right, this is the one that's played on the big bass. So you got to keep that in mind when you are writing a bread line. What will it sound like on a very low instrument? And the lower the notes, the deeper the sound and the harder it is to hear the difference. So what am I getting at? I want you to try this. Keep the C. Keep the D. But rather than go back to C, how about go up to G? Let me show you what it would sound like. So it would be C, C, D, D, G, G, E, E. Okay, I'll play it again. C, C, D, D, G, G, E, E. Okay, now try it and see what you think. See if that helps you at all. It's nice for the big bass notes to be kind of spread apart. So having the C and the G spaced out like that is not actually a good thing. And the fact that you have them playing twice is even better. Now, another thing you might want to consider is maybe, let me see, to keep the alternating hand thing going, maybe even switch the D and G, the 2 G's with the 2 D's. Have them be opposite. So this would be C, C, G, G, and this would be D, D. So that would sound, let me just play it for you. C, C, G, G, D, D, E, E. That would be a nice line too. Only because for those of you who have having trouble playing marimba, all you have to do is play the 2 C's with your left hand, you would play the 2 G's with your right hand, you would play the 2 D's with your left hand, and the 2 E's with your right hand. So that would make it easy too. So I don't know if you ever thought about that or not. All right? What I want you to do is I want you to discuss these ideas. I do want you to alter your line just a little bit. I don't want you to keep it the way it is. I do want you to change it to where you have a higher note, a smaller note than D and E. Maybe an F, a G, maybe even an A. Explore it, see what it sounds like. If you like mine, you're welcome to keep it. You're welcome to try one of my 2 options. But I want you to figure out notes. Figure out the notes. Figure out notes. And then I want each of you to play it 4 times through. And then with 0 to 2 mistakes. Okay? All right, and this will be your good bass line. Don't go any further than this. Don't write a different line. Please don't write a different line. The only reason why is because I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to make sure it matches this line. Okay? All right, so go ahead and practice.